Tuesday video, and it's Tuesday the 4th of April. I'll start with gold today. Fairly brief comment on gold. We've got the 200-day moving average around 1260. This looks corrective, so I'm expecting, this looks pretty impulsive so far. I mean, it could be a 1, 2, some kind of third wave developing. I think there are 2 or 3 possibilities here. What I want to see is a strong move above the MA, confirmation that's important. However, it could be that we're going to see a 5th wave above it, then a correction, then the thrust up. An alternative count is actually going to be an A, B, C, which is still possible. And the third possibility, we just go straight through and see something dramatic. Obviously, we'll be monitoring that carefully and updating you, but I mean, it's taking its time. It's looking good, but I'm still convinced, but I think there's a very strong chance we've got a good solid bull market move ahead of us, but it maybe wants to diddle around a bit before it actually does what we are hoping for. Alright, silver's in a very different position with the MA around here, 200-day moving average around this level, so it keeps testing it, keeps bouncing off it, but is yet to go into orbit. We are seeing new highs right now, but again nothing dramatic. We have got a 1, 2, so this looks like it's a third wave, so there's certainly potential there for something a bit more dynamic. As far as the longer term count is from the low here, 1, 2, 3, maybe kind of 4 here, so again it's a 5th wave maybe coming in, but could still be quite dramatic. So silver's still looking more positive, and gold is still having problems getting above that MA, but as I said, longer term both look good. And I remain positioned as I've outlined previously. Alright, FTSE is the hourly chart again. So far these have all been hourly charts. Count I have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This looks like an ABC, which is one question mark. This could be an A, B, C, B, and then a truncated C, but we do have a clear 5 waves. This looks pretty corrective. A, B, C, B, A, B, C, as a double zigzag type thing. Failed obviously around, the bigger numbers there, 7, 4. So up to that point we've got a 1, 2 move, 1, 2. We need to see this break down below there. We saw a spike low yesterday, down to about 7,260. No particular wave pattern here that's clear, so this could be a B wave. But it's all about this level here now. We need to see a break below there, and once we see that, then we can expect a third wave decline, or at least a C wave decline. Either one should take us down. Right, I mean, if it's a C wave, this is around 200 points. So this was 7,390. So it moved down to 7,190 if it's a C wave, and if it's third wave it could go a fair bit further than that level. So those are the kind of targets if we see this level break, I say right now it's looking fairly bearish. The Dow can be read either way. Either we've got an A, B, C. We have got 5 waves here, which is a positive, then a correction, A, B, C down to there with a spike, and so we could be poised to go up on the Dow. The alternative counts here is that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 with a 5th wave coming in. Less clear than FTSE. The 5 waves here is certainly a positive. The spike there is a positive. So if that holds, obviously it's going to go up. So I'd be looking to buy this possibly today if we see the right kind of action. And FTSE I want to monitor quite carefully as obviously it's at a very important stage. If I see something that looks like it may be, well, not really conclusive, nothing's ever conclusive, but I will add comments into the WhatsApp room and update this report in brief, and we are of course free to discuss whatever's going on. Alright, this is the 5-minute chart of the DAX. We made new all-time highs recently, very close to the previous all-time high at 12,400. We're looking at that in a minute. A, B, C, B, C wave, buying spike. This is an ABC again though. going down to retest the lows. Difficult to really say here what's going on, but again we've got the same kind of parameters. You've got a spike there. We see buying today. That would be encouraging. The market going to go higher. Let's go look at the longer. Okay, the all-time high came in at 12412, so we just failed here. However, we have got a 1, 2, 3. This could well be a 4. It may not be over yet though. So one more move up to above 12412 would give us 5 waves. See the new all-time highs that I'm expecting, given the magnetic appeal of these things. And maybe set the scene for another pullback, which of course may be corrective. So we've got 3 quite different patterns on these 3 markets. FTSE is in some ways the clearest, but needs to break support clearly, which is something that could happen this week, I think, but so we're monitoring it carefully, obviously. Anyway, on that note, I'll call today. Hope you found that interesting and useful. Back with the report on Thursday morning. In the meantime, I may make some comments in the WhatsApp room if I see something that I think is useful. Have a great day. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.